Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is a new deck that I'm using, Heart Angel Heart Sigil. And in when I show you the cards, you'll see how beautifully the sigils are made. I'm also in one of the videos going to teach how to make a sigil, how to put your intention in it, and how to release it in the universe. And sigils are very powerful, and you can get what you want from your life. They're very easy to make, though there are a lot of different methods around making a sigil. So I'm going to teach you three easy methods, and you can use one of them to create your own artwork. Sigils are supposed to be very creative. You can use your creativity in that. So let's get back to the angel heart sigils. There are beautiful cards. I'm just going to show you and look at the artwork. And these are the sigils here, the signs here, and then there's a little message. And I really haven't read the book. I'm going to read them intuitively. What I get messages from the spirit guides. I'm going to tell you that. And I also will do this is the past, present, and future. Remember, guys, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. Like I always say, not all messages might resonate or might not be, you don't need to apply them to your situation, or they are not getting applied to your situation. So, whatever resonates is fine. You can take that and apply it and get guided by that message, and whatever doesn't apply to, it's fine, because remember I said it's a general reading. So today I'm going to do past, present, and future. I'm going to make three piles, and let's see what is past all about, what is your present all about, and what future will be. So let's see what are the messages from the angel heart sigil. And this is the first time I'm using this deck for you guys to read for you. So this is your past, this is your present, and this is your future. This is what I get. So from all of these, I'm going to again now sorry, I'm just going to rearrange it because I need space to work. So I'm going to take three cards out. I want to work with number three. 333 is a very powerful number. That's what I believe, and it's a number for ascended masters. So let's do this reading on 333 numbers. So let's see what the past is and what happened in the past with you. The story might be different for all of you. For some of you, it might just resonate. One card might resonate. For the others, more than one card might resonate. Sorry, just setting it right. So first one I got is charisma, and that's Mother Teresa there, and that's a beautiful sigil around it. It's like a sun. So let's see what are the other messages in the past for you. I'm not going to read it upright or reversed. I don't think it matters here. I don't want to also. So this is these are the names of the archangels also. So this is Metatron. This is Raziel. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is eternity. So this is for eternity. I don't know, but in the past you did make a promise to someone that this will be for eternity, and this is magnification. I'm going to show you the cards because I don't think you can see it properly. I'm going to push this back a little. I'm going to make a little more field of working here so you guys can see the cards. So this is Metatron. This is charisma. There's a lot of charisma in this card. There's a lot of power. This is how you felt, I think, in the past, and this is how you wanted to move forward with a lot of power. And I also feel that it's about a person, like, I think you have a lot of charisma. People do get attracted to you. It's also that you're a powerful teacher. You were a powerful teacher. So past doesn't mean that you were teaching and you're not teaching anymore. So it's somebody who loves teaching. You're a powerful teacher. And I also feel that you are, or somebody, you've also met Mother Teresa. I don't know why I want to say this, but in the past, I feel that you have been influenced either by her work or something, around this, or probably you met her or you read a lot about her. I also feel there's a lot of grace, that there is a lot of gift of grace that's come to you. Like you can see in the picture, Mother Teresa is very graceful, and there is some kind of a charm, a compelling charm about her. And it's also about devotion. So I also feel that in the past you have been devoted to people, you've been working with people, you've been caring for you've been caring for people who've been suffering and are sick. It doesn't mean that people are really suffering on the streets and you probably go and help them, but yes, I think in the past somebody did need your attention, and you did care for somebody. It could be somebody at home also. That's what I get. And like, I also get the word charity because this is a card for charity. Mother Teresa did you can associate the word charity with her, and I really get charity. I get generosity, and I get a big heart, and I also get very peaceful. So this is how you've been. And probably charity makes you feel makes you feel peaceful, it makes you feel good, and that's what you've been teaching others also, and people do get influence from you. So I want to say chant ha, 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 from the heart chakra, and this will fuel your conviction to the divine. So use your heart chakra to chant this, and that's how you will feel. Though this is your past, but I still feel somewhere you still do charity, and you are connected to this, and it is something that you've gotten into your present, and also in the future you will be working like this. This is what I feel when I see this card, Metatron card. So let's move on to the other card, and it's Raziel, and it says eternity. How beautiful is the artwork? And it's all about the universe. Can you see the sigil is all about the universe, and I love the blue color here. The blue color is beautiful here, the navy blue, and this is all about it says eternity, and eternity, like you mean you did promise somebody eternity. Okay, this was about forever with someone, and look at the symbol, it is so beautiful. It is so it's like almost the world is here, the universe, your universe is here. You some to the person that you promised eternity, the person is like your universe, is like a world to you. This is also number 8. I get a lot of 8 because I can see 8 here. I'm going to show it to you closely. And this is number 8. This is a number of infinity. That's what I feel. And let me see what else I get. I also get, recently you got the news that you've conceived, or there was a child in the family, or you really were wishing for a child. That's what I get. And I also get that it's about recreation. You did recreate something. I don't know what it was. You did bring it back to life. It is a relationship, something in the job, a project, but something you really believed in it, and you did get it from you did revive it from it. Maybe it wasn't doing very well, but you did put a lot of energy, is what I get. And I let me see what else can I get. Uh, I feel a lot of creation here. This is creating. This is Adam. This is when you're creating the when God breathed into the when they say nostrils of man, and man became a living soul. I get a lot of creation in this one. I also get a lot of tender touch of God on in your life, and I feel that you did thank God recently for giving you some kind of an opportunity, or God, you believe that God did put things right for you. That's another message that I get. And let me see what else I can say. I feel there's a special connection with energies here. I don't know what, but yeah, you do work with energies, or you do feel there are energies around you. I also get this message from this card. So another card that I got passed, you got two Metatrons. So let's see. Metatron says a magnification. So some thing in the past did become too big. You didn't intend it to become too big. It could be either positive or negative, but I get two things that Um, that did become very big in your life. The other message that I get from this is that the heart sigil here teaches us, and if you can see it closely, I see it more like a watch. It's like a watch. I'm going to put it much closer. This is like a watch, and it says, probably our spiritual. There's a spiritual expansion, or probably in the past you did. Spiritually grow, you did read books, or you were working with people who are very spiritual. You've been meditating, there's been a lot of you've been praying for things, and I also feel that there is a resolution. You made some kind of a resolution. It's also going back to the source. It's also questioning that way, from where have I come, or where do I have to go, or what is the source of all these living beings. So probably these are heavy questions that you've been asking yourself, and that's what I feel. I also feel that you are spiritual. If you've really are connecting with this card, I feel that you believe in a lot of spirituality. You almost want to know where you've come from. That's the other sense that I get. I also feel that you work very well for your community. You do a lot of things. So with charity and eternity and all that, it works very well. Probably this is what you believe in. So this is almost very close to charity. You like working for people, and it is of working with people is second nature to you. You love doing that. It comes so naturally to you to work with people. So I also feel that you have a big community of people. You've probably got people together into a community, or you probably very like-minded people. You've gotten to either a WhatsApp group or a meditation group, or some kind of a club which where everybody thinks the same. That's what I got. And let's see any other message that I want to give you with magnification. So this is actually when you get Metatron, it is actually the teacher. So you've got the teacher card twice. So you really love teaching, you love learning about different things in life. That's what I get, and that's one of, I think, the messages would resonate with you. And I would want to say, keep doing the good work. Okay, so there's a lot of time here. It's also time was precious to you. You did use time very well. That's what I want to say. So those were the past cards for you. Those were bigger messages. Let's see what the present is all about for you. So I've got Raziel again, and it says devotion. So you really believe in charity, and you really are devoted to things. You're a person who really is committed, and it takes a lot to shake your faith. There's a lot of metatrons, a lot of learning happening in your life. Okay, a lot of reflection, a lot of learning. A lot of and wanting to know where you're going, who you are. I think you've been asking yourself those questions, and I see adoration also here. And wow, this is Krishnji. This is really beautiful. The cards are really beautiful. They are made very well, and there's a lot of divine energy in this. This is Archangel Gabriel, and this is pure bliss. This is all also stitching time. I don't know why I get this, but it is stitching two things together. So you can now meditate on this for a minute. Let me see what I also get as messages, because these are new cards, and I'm trying to interpret what I think sits right here. So let's see, what do we want to start with. So with Raziel, it is more like devotion, devoted to somebody, really committed to someone. Also also believing in spirits. I don't know why I get that, and you have guiding spirits, and I also think that you are on a spiritual journey. So I'm getting a lot of spiritual here, spiritual path, spiritual journey. Maybe you've just started that, or maybe that's a lot of energies. The people who are going to listen to it later in the day or whenever. This is a timeless reading. So I feel you've just been put on the right path, and that's what I feel. And it's all about worship. It's all about praise, and it's also a reminder for you. Okay, it is also a reminder of dedication to devotion. That you need to dedicate yourself when you actually become a devotee or something, or you have devotion in your mind. And the other words that I get is, presently you will be very faithful, or somebody you meet will be very faithful to you. That's the other thing I'm picking up here. And I I also get that. Remember that a lot of dimensions are open for you. It's just not one possibility. Maybe that's what I want to say. A lot of big things are coming, for you. And I also want to say that surrender yourself to the divine. Don't control your fate. Okay, like I always say, go with the flow. I get that. You don't need to create a path for you. It's already created for you. Okay, that's the other message I get. And I want to say, let go of doubt. If this is your present situation, you're doubting a situation, you're doubting a person, you're doubting a job, you're doubting yourself, a family member. It is to let go of any of the doubt, and and don't be meek. Okay, get strength here. This present situation needs you to be strong. Okay, not you to be weak hearted. That's another thing I get. And I also get, I don't know why, but I get the alphabet O, something to do with O. I get here quite a lot. So I don't know how it sits in your life, what it means, but I get the alphabet O. Also, that the your love is priority for God. First love is for God, and then you can love yourself. So, like I'm saying, there's a lot of heavy messages that I get, and I also get somebody adores you. Okay, you adore the person in present. And I also feel that you started taking care of your looks. You also started changing your looks for the person, or the person has started noticing you, is also what I get. Okay, that's the other thing that I get. I also get, the truth is, when you look at yourself in the mirror, so you've been lying to yourself about something. Sometimes we lie to ourselves, but when we stand in front of the mirror, we know that we can't lie anymore, and what is right and what is wrong. So I don't want you to lie to yourself, and I want you to know what is the truth, because that's the best part about you here, that you actually know what is wrong in your situation and what is right in your situation. And I think actually recognize it. Let's see what the other cards are saying. So Archangel Gabriel is saying pure bliss. So this is totally bliss. Okay, this is something blissful. Um, this is a love card. I want to say you have a very strong relationship with your loved one. There's a lot of love because Krishnji is known for love, and he's also and he's the other thing I get is that I get a lot of bliss. I get a lot of love. Somebody who's really loved and you love someone very much. Maybe that's why there's devotion. Probably you're really devoted to the person. That could be another message that I'm getting. That you're totally devoted to the person that you are with. You really love the person. I also feel there is some kind of a celebration coming for you very soon. I think within 8 days. I don't know why I want to say eight, but I'm going to say 8 and 9 days. Something really, really great is coming. It's going to bring you supreme happiness because bliss is also supreme happiness. I don't know if you just got the news when I was doing this reading, and that's when you listen to it because I really feel this is all about, this is all about good news, and it's also about a message. Some message is coming to you, okay? A message that will give you wings, a message that will make you feel very blissful. So that's what I get. Um, I think this is more of a heart chakra. And let your love grow. That's the other message that I'm getting. So for present, these were the messages. It is actually connected to somebody who's really special to you, means a lot to you. And you normally sometimes we say, we worship him or her as a god. We almost place the person next to God when you really love the person. So I get a lot of devotion and I get a lot of commitment. So let's see what the future says. I'm gonna shuffle this and take 3 cards out. Thrill, wow. Your fuel is saying thrill. Oh, so people are going to be in awe of you. I get a lot of time bound things. A lot of things are time bound for you. So the result is going to be thrilling. And people are going to really hold you in awe because you're going to really achieve something big. Oh wow, red color. That's beautiful. So it's going to be very powerful. It's going to be very powerful future for you, okay? Because there's a lot of thrill, there's a lot of power. I feel a lot of love. So there are good things happening. I feel victory because it says champion. You're going to be victorious in the future. Future could be tomorrow for you or 10 days after for you. That is what probably your future is. For somebody, future could be 1 year. But this is whatever you thought your future is, or you were waiting for a message or a news or for a project or for anything, any friendship, anything related, legal battles. I feel it's going to be done. That's what I feel. And very easily also. Something, winning something from 3 people, or 3 is going to be a winning number for you. I also get a winning number for you, 3. It's also a lot about pyramids, triangles. So I get 3 here quite a lot. So you can see the pyramids here, 3 pyramids here, and I get 3 here. So a lot of 3 energy, and I said I'm going to take 3 cards out. So that's what I feel. And let me see what more messages that I am getting from here. What can I give you? Any other message? For all, I think for all I'm getting that also there is something that's going to really happen. Something big is going to happen, okay? And you're going to take the flight. You're going to take the flight means you're going to take the risk, or you will not hold yourself back, okay? Uh, there's also in the future you'll have kind of a spiritual curiosity, that you will ask yourself those questions and you would want to be on the path of spiritual curiosity. And the other thing I'm getting is, I don't know if you have a Jupiter in your chart, but that's what I get. I get a strong Jupiter influence, and I also get a lot of heaven here, a lot of symbol for heaven. I get a lot of symbol for victory. I get you get victory out of thrills. Everybody gets thrills out of victory, and something is going to be thrilling. And you love adventure. You like knowing about places. You like knowing about the pyramids. You also seek beauty in things, especially the past, sorry, the history. You also see beauty in that. And you're a person who makes connections and doesn't break them, easily. So it is also carrying your past with you. Also a champion. There is a fight that's going to happen. Fight doesn't mean bloodshed or anything, but whatever's going to happen, like 2 contestants, 2 contenders, I think you're going to win it. That's what I feel. And the other words that I'm getting is that no one can really stop you from winning this battle, because I feel somebody is very prepared for the future. I feel totally, it's like bring it on, kind of a thing for the future. Sorry, I have a bad throat as usual. But that is what I get. Let me see what else. What are the other messages that I get? I get a number two also. I get, a heavy influence of a number two. Somebody's a number two around you or was born in February, but I do get two for you. And let's see what else can I get from this. It also says review your own life. You're not living your life to the fullest. You can have a thrilling life. So in the future, if you think you're really getting bogged down about boredom or routine, this is to have fun. This is telling you to have fun. And don't limit yourself. That's the other message that I'm getting. And let's see what are the other messages. It is also about marveling at things. In the future, it's going to be a marvel. Are you going to marvel at things, or are you going to create something is really it's going to be like a marvel, like the three pyramids or something around that. That's another message that I get. I don't know why, but I get, like, it says champion, and I get there is a championship. Okay, you're going to win some kind of a championship. There is really something coming for you, and it's being a winner in that. It's like I said, two people fighting against each other. Like I said, not bloodshed, guys. It could be anything, but you're going to be the winner. That's what I get. But I love the energy. It's all about red. Okay, it's beautiful. It is a lot of love. It is very powerful. It is giving that power. So maybe in the future, try to wear red if you can, and maroon also. Also, make a wish. Okay, that remember that, because this card will bring you something that you always wanted. So that's the kind of energy that I'm getting. This is something to do with your heart's desire. Also, be bold and brave. You got to be bold and brave, and that's the I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's Haniel. So that's the message from the archangel, that this is almost like a wish card. Whatever you wish for will come true. Maybe it's a legal battle, maybe something against someone. So it also is somebody who commands respect. You're going to get a lot of respect. It's like probably getting a position where there's a lot of respect, or there are a lot of people around you. um, let's see what else can I say. uh, that's those are the messages that I'm getting. And so I think all of the cards are beautiful cards, and like I said, look at the cards. There's a beautiful artwork, and like I said, I got a lot of two from here, I got a lot of three from here. Time is going to be on your side, and you're going to be lucky. That's what I get. If I got the awe card for you for the future, this is somebody who's very lucky. It's somebody who's dancing. It's really celebrating something. It's all about celebration. It's also that you did win from time. I don't know why I want to say this, but yes, you did. And I want you to keep your heart strong. I don't know why I get this in future. Keep your heart strong. Be a champion also. Don't feel weak at all. So those are the messages that I got. It was past, present, and future, a quick read, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know what did you think about the cards, and what messages did resonate, and what's happening with your situation, and if they resonate when whatever future brings to you. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to this. I'll be back with another reading and a different kind of a reading. So thank you, and do subscribe to my channel. Do hit the like button, and also hit the bell notification button, because if you hit that, and whenever I upload a video, you can listen to it. So thank you so much, guys. Bye.